Welcome back, aspiring entrepreneurs and startup enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for your business's success: why the startup pitch is important. Your startup pitch is more than just a presentation, it's your opportunity to showcase your vision, your passion, and the unique value your business brings to the world. A captivating pitch can spark interest, grab investors' attention, and open doors to funding. On the flip side, a lackluster pitch may leave your brilliant idea unnoticed. When you nail your pitch, you not only attract investors but also potential customers, partners, and team members who believe in your mission. Here are 3 reasons why the startup pitch is a game changer. Reason 1. First impressions matter. Your pitch is your first impression on potential investors. It's your chance to grab their attention and make them want to know more about your business. Reason 2. Clarify your vision. Crafting a pitch forces you to articulate your vision clearly. It helps you understand your business inside and out, which is invaluable when you're navigating the challenging startup landscape. Reason 3. Build confidence. Practicing your pitch builds your confidence. The more you share your startup story, the better you get at engaging and persuading your audience. So, remember, your startup pitch isn't just a presentation, it's your key to opening doors, attracting resources, and bringing your entrepreneurial dreams to life. Stay tuned for more tips and insights to fuel your startup journey. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for all things startup related. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.